Are you experiencing issues with your Samsung Galaxy's apps, such as freezing, crashing, or slow performance? Clearing an app's cache and data can be a quick and easy solution to resolve these problems. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to clear Samsung Galaxy app cache and data. First, unlock your Samsung Galaxy device and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. From there, scroll down and find the Apps option and tap on it to access the list of installed applications. Next, scroll through the list of installed apps and find the app you want to clear cache and data for. Tap on the app to access its settings. Within the app settings, you will see a storage option. Tap on it. Once inside the storage menu, locate the Clear Cache button and tap on it. This will remove the app's temporary cache files. To clear the app's data, locate the Clear Data option and tap on it. A warning message will appear informing you that all of the app's data will be deleted, and the app will be reset to its default settings. If you're sure you want to proceed, tap OK or Delete to confirm and clear the app's data. It's important to note that clearing an app's data will remove any user-created settings, save progress, and login information within the app. Be sure to back up any essential data before performing this action. By knowing how to clear app cache and data on your Samsung Galaxy, you can identify and resolve app problems without needing to uninstall and reinstall the app or contact support. This can lead to a more enjoyable and efficient experience with your Samsung Galaxy device. We hope this helps. Thanks for watching.